I am making a Smorgastarta. It's layers of fluffy bread with egg salad and salmon salad between them, covered in cream cheese and colorful decor. I could not be more obsessed with this concept. I'm starting by making the cream cheese frosting, which isn't your typical sweetened cream cheese frosting. I've got 1.5 pounds of softened cream cheese, and then I'll just loosen it up with half a cup of heavy cream. A couple of pinches of salt, and I'll blend it up until it's smooth. That's it for the frosting. So a majority of it is going to be slathered all over the outside of my gigantic sandwich, but a little bit of it is going to be used to hold together my salmon salad. So I'll just scoop this out into a bowl. I've been waiting my entire life to do this. Now I'll make the salmon salad. It's tangy and smoky, and it's got a nice bit of heat from some horseradish. And the second filling is egg salad. It's got mayo. Need I say more? I'll start by flaking some smoked salmon into my cream cheese mixture. This is hot smoked salmon, so it flakes really easily, as opposed to cold smoked salmon, which is more like something you'd put on a bagel. A 1/4 cup of sour cream will help lighten up the cream cheese mixture. The zest and juice of half a lemon, always lemon with smoked salmon. Some chopped dill. Smoked salmon is so delicious on its own, but when you pair it with dill and lemon, it becomes truly one of the most delicious foods on the planet. Some salt and pepper, and then a plop of horseradish adds some great heat. Really brings this salad to life. I'll mix this up. For my second filling, I'll make a basic, straightforward egg salad. I like mine to be heavy on the mayo. And to chop up all of my hard-boiled eggs here, I've got this fun trick using a wire cooling rack. Put it over my bowl and just smash the eggs right on through. Wow, this is very soothing. I'll season these with salt and pepper, and then hold it all together with mayonnaise, my favorite thing in the world. A small plop of Dijon brings in the zingy personality that an otherwise mild dish requires. I'll add some freshly chopped chives and parsley. Herbs are the savory sprinkle of this cake. I'll stir this around. I'm ready to assemble. I've got my bread here and a 9x9 pan that I've lined with plastic wrap, which will help me remove the cake after it's set, and it'll also help me wrap it up because I will have to set it in the refrigerator. For my first layer, I'll do a layer of Pullman white bread. I'll nestle them close together and then pile on the egg salad. I'll spread this out evenly. So happy. Now another layer of bread, and then the salmon salad. It's the perfect shade of pink. Spread this to the edge, and then finish with another layer of bread. Just like that. I'll wrap this in plastic wrap tightly so that it doesn't dry out. I'll let this set in the fridge for 2 hours until firm, and then I'll be ready to decorate. I just unleashed every dream and desire I've ever had in my life on this cake. Trim the edges, ice the whole thing with my remaining cream cheese frosting, add ham star cutouts, and then a lovely arrangement of fresh herbs, sliced cucumbers, radishes, lemons, and eggs, of course, to peep what's inside. This cake was made for me.